How to permanently delete Discord account. This tutorial will guide you through the process of permanently deleting your Discord account, whether you're looking to take a break from the platform or move on entirely. This step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and clear. So let's get started. So first, open the Discord app. Make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already on the Discord app and already logged in. If your account is logged in, tap the Profile tab, which is located at the bottom right of the screen. While we are in the Profile tab, tap the Settings icon at the top right of the screen. While we are in the Settings tab, tap the Account tab to access your account info. While we are in the Account info, scroll down until you locate the Delete Account button. After you locate the Delete Account button, tap on it. If there is a credential that you need to do it so that you can delete your account permanently on Discord. You've successfully deleted your Discord account. Remember, this action is permanent and cannot be undone. If you decide to return to Discord in the future, you'll need to create a new account. If you're considering privacy tools, explore VPN options to enhance your online security.